Everyone shows the glory, the whips, the wheelies, the perfect Instagram ride, but here's the truth. Dirt biking isn't all sunshine and roost. If you're thinking about getting into dirt biking, or you're already knee deep in it, there are some things no one really talks about. I've been riding for years now, and don't get me wrong, I love this sport, but let's be real, it's got its ugly side. Today, I'm laying out the truths about dirt biking no one talks about. Not to scare you off, just so you know what you're actually signing up for. Truth number one, it's expensive. That $8,000 to $12,000 bike is just the beginning. Helmets, boots, gloves, goggles, jerseys, pants, chest protector, you're already in deep and you haven't even started riding the thing. Then there's maintenance. Tires, chains, oils, plugs, suspension services, and when stuff breaks, and it will, get ready to open your wallet again. Truth number two, it beats you up physically. People think it's just twisting a throttle. Nope. It's a full body workout. Your legs are smoked, your arms are pumped, and don't even get me started on riding in the heat. You'll crash, you'll bruise, you'll wake up sore and question your life choices, but you'll keep coming back for more. Truth number three, you will crash. You're gonna crash. Everybody does. Sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's scary, and you might get lucky with just bruises, or you might end up in the hospital with a cast. And the mental side is real too. After a big crash, it can mess with your head. Confidence takes a hit, but pushing past that, that's part of the journey. Truth number four, it's not all glamour. Yeah, those Instagram edits look pretty sweet. Perfect berms, slow-mo jumps, golden hour lighting, but most rides aren't like that. Think mud-caked gear, broken bikes on the side of the trail, eating dust, and sweating through your jersey. That sounds about right. You'll smell like fuel and regret, and spend hours cleaning your bike just to wreck it again next weekend. But that's part of the deal. Truth number five, it's getting harder to ride. Access is becoming a real problem, trails are closing, people complain about noise, land gets developed or restricted. Sometimes you have to drive hours just to find a legal spot. And if you ride illegally, well, don't be surprised when you're running from security and get a ticket. Truth number six, it eats time. Dirt biking takes up way more time than people think. Just getting to the ride spot, unloading, gearing up, that's an hour gone. Then there's the ride, the breakdown, the cleanup. It's a full day thing, and that's if nothing goes wrong. It's worth it, no doubt. But if you're short on time or patience, it's something to think about. Truth number seven, it can be mentally draining. No one really talks about the mental fatigue this sport brings. You're constantly assessing terrain, line choice, throttle control, body positioning. It's mentally exhausting. And if you're coming back for an injury or a bad crash, the anxiety is real. It takes serious mental strength to rebuild your confidence and ride loose again. But that's the challenge, that pressure. It's also what makes the wins feel so damn good. Truth number eight, it can get lonely. If you don't have a riding crew, dirt biking can feel isolating. Some weekends, it's just you and the bike. No one to spot you, push you, or laugh when you biff it. And not everyone in your life will understand why you're spending all this time and money on it. It's hard to explain the obsession to someone who's never ridden. But when you find that riding crew, they become your brothers. It's like a second family. Truth number nine, it teaches you more than you expect. Dirt biking forces you to learn patience, discipline, and how to fix stuff when no one's around to help. You learn mechanical skills, build character, and figure out how to stay calm when things go sideways, literally and figuratively. It's one of the few things that pushes you physically, mentally, and technically, and that growth carries over into life off the bike too. Truth number 10, it's still addictive as hell. After everything, the money, the crashes, the bruises, the time, the head games, we still line up to ride again. Why? Because that one perfect ride, that one trail that flows just right, that one moment when it's just you, the machine, and the dirt. No stress, no noise, no bullshit, it makes it all worth it. You could be broke, tired, and sore, but still counting down the days until you can ride again. It's not just a hobby, it's something that gets in your blood and never really leaves. So yeah, dirt biking isn't all epic shots and good vibes. It's hard, it's frustrating, and it'll cost you in more ways than one. Like the video if you've ever eaten dirt, and subscribe if you plan on doing it again next weekend. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.